wearing is not scary. It's not scary, y'all. It's not scary. Hello friends, my name is Maya, and today I just really wanted to talk to you about the benefits of baby wearing. So for me, baby wearing is something that I wanted to do before I got pregnant. It's something that I really liked. Something I really liked and I was drawn to, but I don't think I really truly fell in love with it until it really benefited my life in such a huge way. And I don't say that lightly. It made it easy to still take care of everything else. I do have an older son. Obviously, I'm married. We gotta eat. I stay at home. I do Instagram. I'm editing videos. But at the same time, I have this precious little baby who still wants to be attached to mama and needs to be attached to mama. How do you juggle and you balance all of that? And that is where baby wearing has really just came in and just won the day. There are so many different kinds of baby carriers though. So I know that sometimes people may see one over and over again, but there's so many different kinds of carriers that help in different kinds of situations and depending on how old your child is. I can tell you that me and my husband never once took our baby carrier into a store. And that's what we actually did with our first. We did not wear him. We had actually no knowledge of that to begin with. And what we would do was we would keep him in the car seat, obviously, and I would put my wrap on, and depending on the temperature, if it was cold, I'd hop in the back seat and I'd wrap him. But if not, I just take him out and I would just put him in the wrap and then we would just walk into the store. So I just wanted to talk to you about the different kinds and kind of show you why they are great in every single stage. So the first one we're going to talk about is the one I used in newbornhood, the one I used most when he was a newborn, which was my Moby wrap. And this one it took a little bit to really figure out how to put it on, but once I learned how to put it on, it was very easy. It kept him snug. I was still able to, once he started to support his head, breastfeed a little bit. And I would bring it down and I would still, breastfeed with him, which made it easier for me, trying to figure out how to actually breastfeed. And, so the Moby was great for when he was really tiny. I still put him in the Moby, but I find that the smaller they are, the better that one works for me personally. The next one that I went to, and probably one of my favorite ones still, is my Hope and Plum ring sling. Hope and Plum was so kind to send me their ring sling after I had baby boy, and I instantly fell in love with ring slings. It was, as always, baby wearing is a little bit of a learning curve up front, but it is such a huge payoff. So the ring sling was great. I still use it. He's about to be 9 months. And I still pull that one out now. If we just need some skin to skin, if we need some cuddling and some bonding time. Right now he's teething. So I've pulled it out because he's teething and he just wants to be up close and touching. He wants to be touching. And so I'm so glad I have the ring sling because it can facilitate that bonding, that cuddle, that need that both of us actually need. And the last one that I use, I actually use 2 different brands on them. I do have a video on my YouTube channel kind of comparing both of them, but it's the 4-in-1 carriers. The first one I had was the Infantino 4-in-1, but the one that I use regularly now, interchangeably with my ring sling, is the baby Bjorn carrier. And this one is capable to be in a 4-in-1. So, I can wear them on my front, I can wear them on my back, and if you want to know why I like the Bjorn one more than I like the Infantino one, you can check out the video. Interested on how to flip your baby from front to back, and I did it all while my baby boy was sleeping. Let me tell you, baby wearing is not scary. It's not scary, y'all. You can do your own research on why it is so beneficial for you to carry and be close to your child. Whatever you are doing and that needs your attention, you can still balance having your baby close while also being present to wherever you need to be, which has been the greatest lifesaver for my family. So let me know down below, do you have any more questions specifically to baby wearing? Is baby wearing just not for you and you just think I'm loony? I am not an expert. I just want to let you know that off the bat. I'm just a mom who has found so many benefits for me and my family for wearing my child. So as always, friends, if this is something that you like, or if you found any value, make sure that you like and subscribe, and let me know, what do you want to see from me? As always, friends, if this is something that you like and you found value in, just make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, friends.